Hi guys, you're welcome to the channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. And today's video is mainly a coffee brewing experience at Endiro Coffee. Endiro Coffee is a cafe that is located in Kampala, Uganda, next to Acacia Mall. And on this day, a few coffee lovers and a few YouTubers were invited by the cafe to have a behind the scenes experience of how they brew their coffee and to taste the coffee, enjoy it, and be part of the experience of making a good cup of coffee. So the session was supposed to start at 11 a.m. and here all of us had arrived and started the session. We're listening in from the head baristas that were heading the behind the scenes experience on that day. Here they were explaining to us the different ways through how coffee goes from being hand-picked to fermented to washed and to finally being roasted and then brewed. And the coffee is locally sourced from local farmers based in Uganda. So every time you attend Endiro Coffee, you're sure of getting a good cup of coffee because a lot goes into choosing the type of coffee that they're going to use.
You can even choose to go below that. You can decide to use like 15 grams of coffee, depending on your taste. Even coffee depends on the taste, how you perceive it when you take it. You may be like, I don't want a stronger coffee, so that means we'll go below the required grams. So in this case, we are going to use 15 grams of coffee. 15 grams.
15?
Yeah, 15 grams of coffee. And water, we are going to use like 250 grams. So how do you get the ratio?
Measure.
And you divide it to get the initial ratio?
Now to get the ratio, you just divide.
You divide to get the initial ratio.
You get the grams of water divided by the grams of coffee to get the ratio.
Get the ratio of what?
To get the ratio of water to coffee.
basically, after the baristas taking us through how to make a cup of coffee, this was the session where we were also given an opportunity to make our own cup of coffee, of course with the guidance of the baristas, and basically that's what the next session was about. That was it for the video. It was a day well spent at Endiro Coffee. We got to meet amazing people. We got to brew coffee, see that behind the scenes there's a lot that goes into making a cup of coffee, and finally being able to test it. It's a rewarding experience. I highly recommend that you try it. And it was nice to make the coffee, to taste the coffee, to see the behind the scenes, to learn more about coffee, the farmers, the baristas, what they have to do in order to make a good cup of coffee. So it's definitely something that I recommend. Endiro Coffee is located in Kampala, Uganda. They have different branches. There's a branch at Acacia Mall, there's a branch in Muyenga, and there's also a branch in Ginger. So be sure to check out their website and their Instagram page for more details. Otherwise, it was a day well spent. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to try out Endiro Coffee as well. The coffee is well sourced, the coffee is great, and I'm sure you'll have a good cup of coffee and you'll enjoy your experience because the environment is really nice. Perfect for a meeting. It's perfect for anything else that you need. Bye guys.